about how the Lixies became Pixies.
So the Lixies.
How did that progression go?
I eventually found these little displays called LTP 305s. And they're these little micro LED displays that have a 5x7 dot matrix on them.
Mm-hmm.
And I thought they were so cool. And I found a compatible driver chip called the IS31FL
3130.
3730, something like that.
Look at that 5 times fast.
I realized that I could make these little displays chainable like the Lixies were. So the Lixies are really easy to add onto later if you want to make a bigger display, just because they're neopixels. So you just need the 3 wires, and then another one, and then another display, another one. So I did a similar thing with this AT-Tiny on the back, where these are chainable. They talk one to the next, so you can have a big, long marquee.
Yeah.
And then, trying to remember my history here. Oh yeah, the Pixies. So they're just pixel Lixies. And then the chip shortage starts to happen.
Right.
My very first signs of it was I couldn't get, for whatever reason, I couldn't get these LTP 305s very easily.
Especially the green ones. The red ones were everywhere, but the red ones in photos, they seem a lot dimmer. So our green ones are what really selling. So it was really, it was a little struggle.
So I switched over to 0402 LEDs. I basically just cloned it myself and sold those. These were called Pixie Pros.
We also had some code upgrades with that as well, though.
Oh yeah, this had a faster firmware. It ran on assembly code. And then the chip shortage really starts to hit, and you can't get microcontrollers, you can't get that LED driver chip. So I kind of had to pivot, and in the end, it was for the best. I think it's an easier product, it's a better product, and that's our Pixie Chroma PCBs.
Yeah. Woohoo!
Oh.
Nice. Yeah, there you go. Nice.
So they are super easy to chain together, and you can put them in little modular printed enclosures like this, and make them as long as you'd like, and any color you want. So let me get this plugged in so we can show it.
Yeah.
What they look like. So I recently got to make something for myself. In 2019, around the time the Lixie 2 came out, I made myself a little plaque that says Lixie Labs 1,000 sales.
Woohoo!
A little 3D printed thing with a Lixie 1 board on it. And then just this month, I got to make another one.
Woohoo!
So Lixie Labs 3,000 sales with my chromas running on the bottom.
Nice. With a little infinity symbol. Nice.
Easier to see. So
Cool.
and then a little kind of circuit sculpture thing in the back running it.
Excellent. Excellent. That's super cool.